Hi guys, April with Sacred Soul Roots here, and we are going to unbox our organics. Let's see what we got this week. Thanks for joining, and hope your week is going well. Ooh, I see one of my favorites right away, which I love. Gosh, I know what this is. Beautiful collard greens. I love collard greens, and I got bacon in the fridge, so girl's gonna be making some collard greens. Beautiful celery, love. Ooh, and a fresh herb, which is cilantro. Love it. Ooh, what is this? This is gorgeous. I think this is called a Romanesco or something like that. And look, it looks like a flower. It's like a type of it's like a mixture of like broccoli and cauliflower is how it tastes. It's really good. Beautiful bunch of bananas. These ones are from Mexico, it looks like. So not a local farm exactly, but you know, Mexico, love it. Some beautiful apples. I love getting apples and I love getting pears. And the kids eat slices of apples and pears almost every day with breakfast. Ooh, look at these gorgeous red carrots. Ooh, they're so pretty and happy and healthy looking. Great, hi carrots. And this is a type of cabbage, beautiful. Maybe I should do some cabbage rolls, those are always good. Hi, here's the boy. Onions, which like I said, I use in every meal almost, every dinner meal. And oh, some beautiful little peppers of every color. I see a rainbow bowl in my future. Fun. And some beautiful red potatoes. Gorgeous. Ooh, this is a fun loot this week. I love it. Actually, I love it every week, but anyways, some beautiful oranges. Gorgeous. I love organics. Yay. Alrighty, well that's it for this week. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you later.